Look how cozy this place is. This is the apartment of my partner. Isn't it cozy? It's in the south side of Stockholm. He even has this like vintage fireplace. This is probably like over 100 years old, and it's super cozy. And it's not always the case that you can actually use these. There are a couple of these in Stockholm, and if you watched my old town vlog when I used to live in Stockholm Old Town, I had a fireplace like this, exactly like this, and I miss it so much. But now I'm happy that I can be here and sit in front of the fireplace, especially now that it is Christmas time. And I got myself some coffee, and we had some gingerbread cupcakes, and now I'm just enjoying the holidays. And I also decided to rebrand this channel. It's going to be called Nella Days, and I'm also starting a blog with the same name, and I'm renaming my social channels, and this will be a channel mainly for women, and it will be focusing on female beauty, health and lifestyle, and the theme will be glow up after 40. So I'm gonna share like fitness tips, beauty hacks, but it's also going to be like life philosophy and stuff like that. I'm probably going to continue to make my vlogs because I really enjoy it. So I guess this will be one of the last vlogs on my channel for this year. Today is I think the 19th or 20th of December. We've been Christmas shopping, and I want to show you everything that we got that goes on a typical Swedish Christmas table. So tomorrow is December 24th, and that is the day when we celebrate Christmas here in Sweden. So we're having like a typical Christmas dinner, and then we're also opening up our Christmas gifts on December the 24th in the evening. So it's not on the 25th like in other countries. But anyway, I want to show you everything, and I'm starting with drinks. We're not huge alcohol fans in this family, but we love this. This is Swedish Christmas Must, it's called, but it's a kind of a soft drink that has like a really Christmassy flavor to it. Then of course we have the mulled wine, and this is with just a little bit of alcohol, and we have that with some raisins and some almonds in these small cups that I need to buy because we don't have any, or I can't find the ones that I had. We're also going to bake some gingerbread. So this is ready-made gingerbread dough. Of course you can make it by yourself, but I always buy it. Sometimes I buy it from a bakery, but I don't know if I will have time today, so I just got the ready-made. And then I got this little snowman and this cute little angel, and I got some ready-made pink icing to go on our gingerbread. Then I want to get into like the food that we got, and I want to show you this one. It's like a typical Swedish dish with potato, and it's also with what you call it, herring in it, and a lot of like Christmassy seasoning and stuff. And then we have some cheeses. So we have this cheese, and it's seasoned, and it's with the cumin and something that I don't know the word in English. a really nice whiskey cheddar cheese. And then I should have a Christmas cheese right here. So this is Edamer, baby Edamer. And everyone has this on the Christmas table. Just a typical thing. Then let's get into some Finnish food. I have Finnish ancestors and normally my aunt makes this, but we're not celebrating with her, so I just got this. It's like a little carrot cake in a box or whatever you call it, but it's not a cake, it's food. We have this beetroot salad. Then we have herring, different kinds. This, I really love the taste of this one. We also got this flavor, and it's really good. It's with mustard and herring. It sounds disgusting, but all of these things, I guess it's like the typical thing. When you grow up with it, you learn to love it. Some mustard. Then I also got some Christmas ham. And that should be eaten with the mustard. Then of course we're going to have Swedish meatballs, but those my dad will make, so he'll bring them. And then we have some small Christmas sausages, and I'm gonna show you tomorrow how I cook them. And just some olive oil, some butter, and we have a Christmas bread, but I'm also going to buy Christmas bread from the bakery. And then I have some eggs. I'm also going to show you how we serve the eggs on Christmas. Got a cute little Christmas soap that smells like a red Christmas apple. And then I have a bunch of potatoes. And I'm going to cook these. And once they're cooked, I'm putting in some dill. And that's like, tastes delicious. I'm going to show you everything tomorrow. This caviar goes on the eggs. Then I got some Christmas napkins. And is that it? Yeah, I think this is it. And then definitely I want to bake something more than just the gingerbread cookies, but I haven't decided yet on what I want to bake. Now we're going into town to buy some Christmas gifts and just have a little cozy Christmassy day. By the way, look at my nails if I haven't shown you already. Got my nails done yesterday, and today I had a lash appointment, but I just didn't feel like doing my lashes today. I want to spend time with my family and get into the right Christmas spirit, so I'll fix my lashes for New Year's instead. So let's spend the day together. It's super cold. Men jag får så jävla. Wow, vad vacker den här adventskalendern var. Gud vad coolt. Det är askul. Helt rätt. It was a bit hectic in the city, but now I'm back home and I'm walking my dogs, and as you can see, it's a little tiny bit of snow here, or it's a bit frosty, I would say. Look at the ground. Well, it's really cold and you just want to go home. So we're back at home and we have some more things to put under the Christmas tree, but of course we're going to wrap them first. I went to the hat store and I got this like army style cap in brown. I really love it. And I got some makeup and I got myself a red top. I was looking for a Christmas dress, but I couldn't find one that I liked, so I got a red top, and I think it's pretty cute. I got a hair dryer, and then these masks, if you haven't seen them, they're super popular right now. I've seen them on TikTok and everywhere, and these are the Biodance Bio Collagen Real Deep Mask. I bought a cleanser. I'm gonna try this, La Roche-Posay. So it's pretty late, it's already 11 o'clock and it's the day before Christmas, and we're getting up early because we're going to church at 10:30, but we're going to make a little late night snack. guys, so my Christmas makeup is ready, and now I'm going to dry my hair and style it a little bit.
Jag vill ha den eller den. Jag tycker den var bra.